Hi, my name's Dean James. I'm going to be going over the Scott RIT Pack III with you guys really quick. It's a little different than the pack we have now. From the outside, immediately you can see there's some differences. One thing that's unique about this pack is it has a remote gauge. The remote gauge has lights on it when it's turned on, so you can see it in the dark. It's battery operated, so that's one thing you need to know to check the pack. And when it gets down to 1,000, there is a vibe alert built in. So that's one cool feature. On the outside of the pack also, we still have our bolt cutters. And then other cutting tools. And the 2 blocks on the top. Also on the outside of the bag, we have straps. Both straps have quick connect carabiners and seat belts connections like on your air pack. Then on both sides you have a handle, and you have rings all around the bag. And then on the outside, we have webbing on the inside of the bag that's accessible. Disconnect it. Webbing should deploy. Alright, on both sides of this pack you have different things, and they're indicated by 2 different indicators. You have the circle, and then you have this like flat bar on the side with the bar. For storage, we keep the rope bag in here, but you have your RIT. And then on the side with the circle, you have your mask, and you have your EBS. So a quick reminder for everybody, your EBS is the low pressure line. This is the one that hooks up to you. This is what we call buddy breathing. And when you're hooked up to the EBS, you're going to breathe off of the lowest bottle first. So if you have 1,000 psi in your pack and you have 4,000 psi in this bottle, it's going to breathe all your air from your pack and then this bottle. So if you hear your vibe alert going off and you're on the EBS, it's because the vibe alert on your bottle is going off. It doesn't mean you're about to be out of air. Check this pack, and then it'll kick onto this pack. But you have to stay married to that system. On the RIT is the high pressure line. You can tell the line is more rigid, and with the RIT it equalizes the 2 bottles. So you have to hot fill for approximately 10 seconds, and it's not going to fill the bottle, it's just going to equalize them. So maybe you'll get like a half fill. And that's the one that on the back of your pack, on the back left side, it's like the little nipple. You got to pull the rubber piece off, and that's how you connect to that. Also on the RIT side is where you have access to your bottle, the stem. Here's the vibe alert. I think of anything else. To access the bag, here. If you need to change your bottle, this is where we're going to load the webbing also. One more thing about this bag. On the outside, I forgot to go over. It's got sked, pretty heavy duty sked, so it slides nice. And that's about it.